Hi everyone! Assalamualaikum! Welcome to my channel, Isabel Cooking. And for today's vlog, gagawa tayo guys ng scone. So let's start! Okay guys, here's the ingredients. 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup or half cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of finely grated lemon zest, 1 cup of butter, unsalted butter, cut into small pieces, and 3/4 cup of whipping cream, half cup of fresh milk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a cup of freezed blueberry. Ayan siya guys. So, start na tayo. Ito yung all-purpose flour. I-whisk muna natin. Na-serve ko na ito guys. Lalagyan na natin ang ating baking powder. Baking powder, salt, ang ating granulated sugar, butter, oh my gosh, so mix lang natin, rough and crumbly. Butter. So, ganun lang. So, guys, ito yung ating crumb. Then we add in our 2 eggs, whipped cream, milk, lemon zest. Ayan lang guys, i-combine lang natin siya. So, we're gonna add in our fresh blueberries, about a cup. I-forward lang natin ito guys. So, ito na-flat na natin guys yung ating dough. Dapat hindi siya i-pressure natin. Hanggang ganun lang. And then, ikakat natin ng wedges. Guys. So, ito guys. Ito natin siya na nasa 8 inches. Guys, in a separate bowl with the milk, egg, para ibabrush natin. Just like that. So guys, ito na, done. I-brush natin yung scone. And then, ipipreheat natin yung oven ng 375 degrees Fahrenheit. At ibibig natin to sa 20 minutes to 25 minutes or until scone are lightly brown on top. Okay guys? So guys, after 25 minutes, ito na yung ating blueberry scone. So, ang ganda niya guys. Tamang-tama lang yung pag-bake natin. So, 20 minutes lang talaga guys. Exactly 20 minutes lang. So, ito na. Mag-prepare tayo ng glaze. Okay guys? Magawa tayo ng glaze. So, ito nga guys. Ang glaze na ito ay 1 cup of icing sugar and 1½ tablespoon of lemon juice. Ayan lang. So, ayan. Ganda niya guys. So, ito guys. Lalagyan na natin yung ating icing sugar. It's about a cup. And then, i-mix lang natin with lemon juice. So ito, lalagyan na natin yung ating glaze. Ito guys. I use fork. Guys, kita nyo yan. So guys, ito na yung ating finished products. Diba? Dali-dali lang guys. Sarap siya guys. Try nyo rin. So, ito na nga. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Ganda na. So guys, may shoutout ako. Ito, shoutout to Yan Sereko Auman. Please guys, subscribe him. And also, subscribe to my channel to fill up on the latest most eat recipes. So you know guys, subscription and like are big help to me. Kaya please subscribe na kayo. Okay guys? So, yun lang. Okay, and bye. I'll see you soon on my next vlog. God bless and stay safe. Okay guys, ito na ang ating finished product. Sana nag-enjoy kayo guys, and please you can support me by sharing my video with your loved ones. Guys, it's done, ready to serve, ready to eat. So guys, thanks for watching and stay safe. If you enjoyed this post, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And please press the bell icon to get notification every time I post a new video. Thank you guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. So guys, ang sarap-sarap niya. Di ba? May snack na tayo.